All right, so we are here at Stevens at the Multiplaza in El Barrio. This is described as a one-stop shop. So I'm here on the first floor. There are 4 floors, and I want to take you to each of them. So as you see when you walk in, there's multiple entrances, but this is the entrance that I decided to come through. It'll start here with all the cosmetics, cologne options. Again, it's kind of like reminds me of a Macy's back in the U.S. or some type of U.S. store. So you got your, nice brands, your Chanel, Dior. If you want to do some type of, I guess looking for some brands that are higher end, it seems like this could be the store for that. Definitely probably not the least expensive store in Panama for these types of options, but you know how it is. It's a mall, so it's attracting people who got some money. So walk you through here. We're going this side first. So walking through, you'll saw all the cosmetics. You got some women's shoes here. Here's some examples of prices. So like $24.99. Seeing things like $22.99 and $16.99. And you'll see different types of purses as well, bags, different sales and everything. The guy on the bottom floor told me I can't record on this floor, but I'm a rebel. No, I'm just kidding. He just said not to record him. So this is what you hear. Men clothes as well. You see? Bunch of sporting clothes, things like this. All right, we are on the second floor of Stevens and Multiplaza for the ladies. For ladies floor right here. This who this video really for. So I'm gonna give you some ideas here. So you got outfits like this. I think this is pajamas. $24.99. So these are your intimates. Intima. So I ain't gonna spend too much time over here. I don't know about thinking I'm creepy. So as you can see, your intimates, different things in here. Underwear. They got some shirts as well. Let's see, some Hurley shirts. What's the pricing on that? So like $16.99. $16.99. Pants. Surprised they got jackets. I don't know they need jackets for. You're gonna be dying in these. Look at that. Oh, puffy jackets too. That gotta be just for fashion only, not for need. Yeah, let's see. Walking through here. Getting your bras, all your undergarments, more pajamas. So you see, you get the point. I ain't gonna walk all through here. Let's keep it moving. See if we can find some sale racks or something. Here you go, got your little slippers, Sweet Dreams. They got a lot of pajamas, huh? Oh, look at here's a sale rack. Ofertas. $5.99. Got your Disney. They love Disney scenes. No. Everyone loves Disney, actually. Well, I guess I won't say everybody. That would be a logical fallacy. So $12.99. Boom, boom, boom. Got Puma. Puma brands in here, $16.99. There you go. There. So some more Legos. That's actually pretty cool. Socks. And each floor has its own checkouts. They got brands like Nike. I already said Adidas. Got the total look for these outfits here. So that outfit here is $26.99. This one is $19.99. So entire outfits. Oh, sorry. $9. There you go. Samples. Boom, boom, boom. Now another sales rack. Look at all these sales racks. So I'll show you here. Got a sale all the way through February. Just gotta deal with these prices are. It's $17.49 for that shirt. Another example. Let's see here. They got some nice shirts. $18. More stuff, more sales. So you see, different types of clothes for different styles, different dresses and everything. Show you around, more sales. Look at that, all these kind of outfits. So y'all find something, like even got wedding dresses or dresses for special occasions. Maybe not wedding dresses, but special occasions for sure. So as I said, looking for clothes, looking for everything here. This is considered a one-stop shop. Oh, look at them nice stairs. Boom, boom. So I'm not really a fashion guy, so I don't really know all about these brands. So maybe you all recognize the brands that you're seeing. You know, Jessica Taylor, Jordan, Be Chic, Susan Miller. You know, I'm trying to be respectful of people, not putting them in the camera. Show you around. Hope you ain't get no vertigo. So this is the second floor. So I'm walking through here too. A lot of sales on the way in. No, they also have like a little cafe in here called Cooking Mama. Bakery, coffee shop. I mean, one thing you're gonna find in Panama is a bakery and a coffee shop. We got the women floor here, big floor. Also got some different types of bathing suits as well. You see, women's bathing suit. Got some sales. An example of sale prices. So $6.99. And for the pants, $13.99. They could get you a whole set of their bathing suits on regular prices. They're like $20. Nice little dresses. All right. And that is this floor. That is this floor. I will see you on the third floor. All right, now I'm here on the third floor. And this is obviously like the kids' floor. And this kind of reminds me of a Toys R Us almost. So again, like I said, this store is a one-stop shop. So you got a lot of kids' toys. My kids are having a blast on this floor right now. She ain't gonna lie, this Mario stuff is looking kind of cool. We're gonna keep moving. Oh, Play-Doh, I hope my son don't see that. So he gonna beg for it. All kind of things, different toys. Sorry, my finger all in the way. Hand was itching. Show you here, got Legos. So there's like a place if you want to buy some like games for your house, some family stuff. Different kind of games, Legos. So I'm actually glad we saw this. This is our first time in this store. Someone told us about it. So I'm glad I kind of saw these things because my kids need some activities. You know, for those who don't know, my daughter is actually homeschooled, so I want to give her a few things she can also play with and stuff like that. And we're actually going to be looking at getting maybe a part-time nanny to kind of spend some time with her too. So let's see here. As you can see, all type of stuff. Just kind of showing you around here. They also have a little thing where you can build like a Build-A-Bear in here. So you'll see, similar to a Build-A-Bear. Well, they got, man, I'm feeling like a kid in a candy store right now. Now, one thing I thought was kind of cool too, it looks like they do a lot of back-to-school stuff. So here in Panama, school starts in March. So they're running some back-to-school sales. So if your kids are going to school here, you can get supplies here, like school supplies. You'll see different like notebooks and stuff in here. All types of notebooks here. You got your backpacks, rolling backpacks, all types of characters. Jan Sport. Man, them Jan Sports, I remember that took me back to being in school when your mama used to get you the good backpack because she didn't want your back to get messed up. Sketcher. Yeah, showing you around here. Yeah, oh, man, for real though. Good vibes only. I want y'all to remember that. Good vibes only on this channel. Good vibes only. So yep, I'm gonna take it to the other side of this floor. And again, this is the third floor of Stevens and Multiplaza. Oh man, you know what? I just told my kids I was gonna get a Nintendo Switch. Hey, my daughter wants to show me something. They have Minecraft Uno. Okay, Minecraft is famous. All right. Good. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm about to come back in here and give me a Nintendo Switch. Got that Pokemon. For my nerds, you got all the anime here as well. Look at that. Oh man, this place is dope. Okay. So, showing you around. With the kids over here playing. What you doing now, 3? Over here playing on the Nintendo Switch. As I said, there's a lot more school supplies up here too. Here, oh, my daughter, I hope she didn't see that baby alive over there. So let me keep it moving. All right, so showing you around. So that's enough toys. Oh, look at some costumes. I do what I'm gonna do for Halloween. So here you're gonna see some clothes that are on sale too. So you can get like your back to school clothes. They just children's clothes in general. So let me give you an example. So these are sales racks here. Let me give you some examples of some prices here. So like a Marvel t-shirt here for kids, 50% off. So
it'll be
about $5.99.
Good quality too.
Yeah, it's like it's 100% cotton. Well, it looks nice. It looks nice. Yeah. Let me show you some more examples here too. So all these are like character shirts and everything. Let me show you, they got some nice little dresses here. And again, a lot of these, again, like they got a lot of sales racks too.
This is a sale rack.
This dress here, 50% off of $14.99. About $7.50 there. You see different brands here. Like they love Disney, I see. Yeah. So let me show you some more examples. So yep, for bathing suit, you are in Panama, so gotta get you a bathing suit for the kids. They're gonna wanna get in that pool. So $7.99 is an example here for these. This one's like $10.99. Here, I'll show you some of the examples. So what we got here? All right, kind of walking around. $20 give you some examples here. Nice little dresses, I guess, for the kids. And this one, $38, so it can kind of range. Now, I don't know this brand. Maybe that's a nice brand. Boom. So, yeah, perfect for getting some children's stuff, some kids stuff. Swimming trunks for the boys. They have bathing suits for the girls. And again, this is the 3rd floor. So you see here, now we can get to some of the older kids stuff. So got a rack here, for example, t-shirts for $12.25. That's Calvin Klein. So pretty good prices. Yeah, Calvin Klein. All these shirts. I guess originally 24, it's like 10, 12, now $12.25. Showing you around. Oh, they jamming up in here. Hey. Got some watches. Yeah, show you around here. Fancy. $21.99. All right, so here you'll see all types of brands. I ain't gonna show you everything because it can get kind of boring. But you'll see in here too, for kids, dress clothes, maybe some church clothes, uniforms potentially for depending on what school they go to. Got your socks, underwear in the corner here. Yeah, look at that. All right. So I'm almost done with this floor, y'all. This is, as I said, this store is big. It has pretty much everything you would need. Again, may not be the cheapest place, but the quality seems really good. And again, if you know a place to get even better clothes or at a better price or even higher quality, please put the suggestions in the bottom. We're learning. We're just trying out and showing you all places that if you came here and you were wondering, where could you buy some clothes for your kids or yourself? Or furniture or pretty much anything for decorations, then you'll see it in here. So now you'll see also baby clothes. So they got brands like we kind of like Carter's, all right? You got Gerber. Give you some examples of these baby clothes. I guess this is a nice dress. This is Mayoral. I've seen seems to be a little bit more expensive than the other stuff. But here's another sale rack. Hello Kitty. So look at that. 40% off of $4.99. Perfect. Now here you also see different types of shoes as well. So this is Molequinho, I guess. Some little slides, about $16. They have Adidas for like $44. So you come in here and get the kids' shoes and stuff. Some more little baby things. Step stools, potties, little bathtubs as well. Look at this stuff here. Yep, again, a lot of baby accessories as well. Strollers. If you're looking for strollers, they got them all in here. The play tables. There go some examples. Car seats as well. So this is like $139, it looks like. Some cribs. We got a lot of stuff. All right, so that's this floor. That is the 3rd floor. There you go. I'll see you all on the 4th floor. All right, so we are here on the 4th floor of Stevens in Multiplaza. So this floor has the furniture. So, this is one option. We're not sure if this is, obviously the most affordable, but we know this is pretty nice stuff. Seems like really good quality. Reminds you of a Macy's, actually. Yeah, so you see Nautica, some brands you may recognize. So I'm gonna kind of walk you around here. So you can see here different types of beds. They can range here from $629. You got some tables that can go from $199 to like $59, or maybe some are even less than that. Got sofas as well. Sofas costing like $249. But also saw sofas in here that were less. Again, different types of things. So here's another bed. There's a little side table. And they got bedding and all type of stuff like that. So if you kind of looking for something that's familiar to the US, then this is definitely a really nice store. Again, you'll see along the wall different types of bedding options, 100% cotton or whatever your needs are. We're looking currently for mattresses and beds for our kids for the place we're gonna be moving to. But you kind of see some options. You got bunk beds. It's pretty nice. Just walking around. If you're moving here with a baby, got these cribs here as well. And you'll also see a couple of things up in here. Rocking chairs. And then here you'll see stuff like the dining tables as well. Just kind of walking around to kind of let you see. Now, another place for luggage. Again, this kind of, like I said, it kind of reminds me of like Macy's. So like I said, this may not be the best price for stuff, but if you're looking for something, I guess that is maybe the quality may be higher. Now, if you know places with better furniture, like we're looking, so I'm very sure people in the comments are gonna say, yes, that's the most expensive place, or I don't know. They may say it's a great price. So let us know in the comments if you're already in Panama and you know some places that have even cheaper furniture. So let's see here. Just kind of showing you around. I'm gonna show you, just want to kind of show you this store for people who are looking for an option. And again, this is at the Multiplaza. So you'll see in here, different decor. Pretty cool. I'm gonna walk you through here. See that? More dining room sets. People in here just enjoying themselves. Got some recliners. That recliner, two-piece recliner, $299 on sale. I've seen a lot of sales in here too. Show you around. I did a little setup. And then you also see like some kitchen, things over here, appliances. Got your Ninja blenders at that Hamilton Beach. Shout out to Walmart. Got irons. Pretty much everything that's like for the home is on the 4th floor here. So you'll see. Hello. Perfect. See? Things like this. So it's definitely like a store. I think someone described it to us as a one-stop shop. So again, this is just the furniture floor. 4th floor, walking you through. Look at that. And my wife over there telling them kids to put stuff down. And this is, look, trash cans. We're looking for these, we're looking for bottles like these. Yeah, look at this. Yeah. Lunch boxes, everything.
But I don't think it can be a water cold.
Oh, well, some of them might keep you water cold. So my daughter got to add her part. You see here, towels, different type of things here. So like I said, one-stop shop, beach towels. Like, yeah, got bath rugs, some stuff for laundry. I forgot the name of it in my mind just now, a hamper. There we go. And this is like the last part of this floor. So again, you'll find like random accessories. Got some Disney stuff here, pillows, and more bedding. So that's the 4th floor.